So ngayon namang umaga, meron tayong mga kasama na mga matataling nating kaibigan dito sa PTV. Mula sa One Algon Place, kasama natin si Rodrigo III at si Cel Casas Gonzalez. Good morning at syempre welcome to Good Morning Boss.
Good morning, boss.
Ito, ang pag-uusapan natin syempre ngayon yung One Algon Place. Ano po ba yung One Algon Place? At kumbaga mabigyan natin ng konting kwento ang ating mga boss tungkol sa One Algon Place.
Well, okay. Ang One Algon Place is parang it's the legacy of my father. No, it started out as a resort. Feasibility study ko nung college siya. Tapos, so, during the years, medyo parang dumaming kaibigan, medyo lumaki yung resort. Inisip ng father ko, kailangan may meaning yung business. It's not just a resort. So, nag-ano siya ng healthcare management sa AIM. Nag-try out siya noon. Tinapos niya. Then, there's this feasibility study na sinabi niya sa akin, check this out. At dun lumabas. This feasibility study was a drug rehabilitation center na ang main focus was our resort. Hindi namin alam, pinag-aralan na pala yung resort namin to become a drug rehabilitation center. Then, 2004, na-accredit kami ng DOH to become a TRC, Treatment Rehabilitation. Then, through the years, naging ano rin kami, acute chronic psychiatric facility, 2008. Then from there, tuloy-tuloy na to. Pero ang reason behind kaya marami diversified ang aming services is because my father used to be Ateneo professor, business. Ngayon, meron siya dong team building course na ngayon minana ko na lang. So that's why para bang medyo marami kaming services because of that.
Yes, actually, Carla, nakasama rin ako nung dito sa PTV sa news. Nag-team building kami dyan sa One Algon Place. At talaga nakikita naman natin na enjoy kami nun. At recently nga, alam ko ngayon yung engineering team naman natin ang nag-team building rin dyan. At kumbaga, iba-iba yung mga nagagawa nila mga trainings at saka mga seminars para sa mga, depende yan na, kumbaga nag-vary siya per group of individuals.
Sana yung production naman yung next.
Oo nga, tayo naman.
Tayo dyan. Pero aside from okay, so we'll go into the seminars and the trainings in a bit. Pero can you tell us about the amenities? So just to clarify, parang the resort is still there. It's just parang, is it nakahati?
I'll explain it na yung madaling i-analyze lang, no. Ang resort is still there. It's a 1.2 hectare lot. So para siyang Rome and Vatican, no? Yung Vatican City. Algon is still there, pero yung the Academy of Hope is within that compound.
Okay.
Parang kumbaga, it's a compound within a compound. There.
All right. And then, yun nga, so Academy of Hope is what we call the facility for the
mental health facility.
The mental health facility. So this was, kumbaga nadagdag na lang ito from being a resort to, and then nagkaroon tayo ng facility.
Then a mental health facility.
I think that really makes it unique. Kasi parang I haven't heard of a place like this. So it really makes it stand out.
Yun. So now, maybe we could talk about more on the seminars that you conduct and syempre the training facilities that you have also in Algon. Kasi ako na-experience ko yun, nakita naman natin na kumbaga lahat talagang pwede mong magawa, especially with the team building and seminars that we had. So I'm sure curious ang ating mga boss ngayon what they can avail pag sila'y nagpunta sa Algon.
Okay, I'll answer the amenities. We have a chapel, we have a swimming pool, meron tayo rooms, gym, sauna, and then we have lagoon where they can do boating and fishing for 20 minutes. With the seminars that we provide, we have drug awareness program. We have programs for corporate team building. We also have retreat recollection, stress management, emotional intelligence seminars, workshop. And right now, we have an ongoing, there will be a seminar coming May 22 and 23. We call it Extreme Life Experience in the Workplace. So we will be tapping human resource personnel, owners of company, school directors. We will teach them on how to facilitate and handle extreme life experiences in the workplace.
Can you define extreme life experiences?
Okay, extreme life experiences talks about anything about like drug abuse or alcohol in the workplace, pressure, pinapagalitan ng mga boss, yung pressure na kailangan mo makabenta, or yung mga conflicts inside the company, wherein at times the human resource are having difficulties on how to process it.
Okay.
Alright, and then I guess now, is this a seminar for free? Baka pwede natin ayayin yung mga boss natin na interested na syempre to take part in this seminar, or may contact details kayo, or whatever do they need to
para
support?
po dun sa mga boss na who wants to attend the seminar, they can call 584-4301. Yes, there's a fee, a minimal fee. They can contact the number that I gave para po ma-explain kung ano po yung what's in it for them.
Okay, so maybe you have a message for our viewers, and I guess invite our viewers as well.
Well, okay. I would like to invite everybody to visit the One Algon Place Foundation. Ganito yun. The difference between us and other facilities is if ever you use our place for any activity such as this seminar or retreat or recollection, you also help our subsidized patients inside the center.
Okay.
So nag-enjoy na kayo, nakatulong pa po kayo.
Nakatulong pa kayo. At syempre, bago tayo magtapos,
Meron tayong special gift.
yes,
Wow!
Okay.
mula po sa inyong Good Morning Boss family para po sa inyo.
Thank
at
you.
mga
Thank you so
tarik na
much.
Kaibigan dito yan mula sa Algon Place. Maraming
Thank you.
salamat sa inyong panahon ngayong umaga na to.
Of course.
Rudine Gonzalez III at si Sel Casas Gonzalez.
Mas marami pa tayong abangan dito sa Good Morning Boss.